How to fix Wi-Fi not showing in settings on Windows 10. Let's get started. Heading towards very first solution, click on the search icon and type in over there run. Click on it. Now type in services.msc and click on OK. With that, you will land to this kind of windows. Now scroll all the way down. Search for the option WLAN auto config. Once you find it, click on it. Now head towards this option of status type. Click on that drop down and set it to automatic. Once you do that, click on OK. Now you can go and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, again click on the search box and type in over there run. Just click on it and then type in over there ping space 127.1.1.1 space /t and click on OK. If you get this kind of reply, that means there is no issue in your hardware. Now you can head towards next solutions. Open your settings and head towards network and internet section. Click on the option status. Now scroll down. Over here you will find the option of troubleshoot. You have to click on it. It will detect all the problems and solve it. Likewise, heading towards very last solution, you can reset the network settings. At the very bottom you will find the option of network reset. Click on it. Now you have to click on this option of reset now, and with that your problem will be fixed. Applying the solution, you can fix Wi-Fi not showing in settings on Windows 10. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.